Amazon Prime Day is here, and while everyone debates the best deals on tech and home finds, one category consistently delivers major savings. I'm talking about the beauty, from skincare favorites to viral grooming tech. Some of the biggest discounts are happening right now. And here to share 4 standout products that she's going to tell us we don't want to miss is our beauty and trend expert, Mickey Williams. Mickey, I love checking in with you. Help me out this Prime Day. Where can I begin?
Oh my God, I think this is so much fun, right? Sale! First off, K-Beauty, the biggest thing right now. Everybody's obsessed with K-Beauty, but not all K-Beauty is actually K-Beauty. This is real K-Beauty, and it is unbelievable and up to 25% off right now. This is AESTURA. This is one of the most incredible brands. This is #1 dermatologist-recommended brand in Korea for sensitive skin. It really soothes, it hydrates, and it really improves the health of your skin barrier. But their ATOBARRIER365 Cream, which is the hero cream, oh my gosh, this is in my makeup kit. It's all there, but it's just an incredibly rich cream. It's patented blend of ceramide capsules. It's really incredible. It provides up to 20 hours of hydration. It has the NE seal of acceptance because their formulas really align closely with the needs of eczema-prone skin. Natalie, my sister, has eczema. Hi, Vicky, because she's in Tampa. But she uses this product regularly, and she's never been able to use a skincare, any kind of moisturizer. She can use this product daily. It's a beautiful product. So if you have sensitive skin and you're into the K-Beauty, right now, 25% off. Unbelievable. And their mist and their pads, it's all fantastic.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's keep talking skincare, though, if that's okay, because I know another one that is really simple as skincare and even getting an upgrade, you say?
Yeah, I mean, I absolutely am obsessed with the fact that you want to stock up right now. Stock up on what you're using already. I am in every one of our bathrooms and all my family's bathrooms. Cetaphil is like the way to go, right? Cetaphil's daily facial cleanser right now is $10.99. This entire container is $10.99. And what this does is it really gently removes dirt, oil, impurities without stripping the skin. Their moisturizing lotion right now, which the whole family uses at my house, is 20% off. And it has glycerin, niacinamide, and panthenol, also strengthening that skin barrier. Dermatologist recommended. Listen, it's $10.99 for the facial cleanser right now, $12.99 for the moisturizer. Stock up. This is the time to do it, and you'll have it throughout the year. It can't, look at the size of this product. It's insane. I love it. And it's a great product that's go-to for the whole family.
Love that. Love it here. Okay, I love pink. I'm just going to say I go to it, and it's even better when it's pink with a fun name. Dippity Doos. What is this product all about?
And this is so good for you and your daughter. Dippity Doo, girls with curls, baby. Okay, first of all, I just want to say these products are already affordable, but Dippity Doo is one of those brands that's been around for 60 years of curl expertise. They've really kind of been this iconic hair brand. They're known for their high quality products, really performance-driven products, but really accessible for all. Like I said, they're already affordable, but their light hold jelly, that's what really established, got them started at all. Right now, these products in these duos are incredibly affordable. You can't believe it. They're up to, 30% off. And they already come in 2s. You have the mousse, which gives you the bounce. They have this really cool coconut curl cream. It is jelly. These jellies are out of this world because they're great for you in Florida because they really tackle the frizz, but they also keep the curl defined. You've got a little bit of something for everybody. But did I tell you already? They come in 2s as it is. So that's really just one of those deals, again, where you want to stack up. Stock up. Stack it up, do whatever you want.
Either way, I like it. Hey, last but not least, actually, this is on my Prime Day to-do list. I have a grooming upgrade that I'm looking for. You're saying this is a good suggestion?
Okay, Laifen is this really incredible, appliance, hair dryers. They have, those incredible toothbrushes, but they also are known for their shavers and their razor. This is the P3 Pro electric shaver. Right now, this is 40% off. It's normally $179. It's $108. This is 12,000 cuts per minute. It's really incredible. It has the CNC crafted aerospace kind of like, aerospace grade aluminum type. Look at how sleek it is. Look how cool it is.
It just feels cool. Like it
I
just,
love it too. Yeah, it has real time, real time power adjustments. It's really great for any kind of guy that that has a stubbly beard. It's just an incredible product for $108. It's going to last you for so long. I mean, I can't I've had one forever, but the hair dryers, everything is just so incredible. And right now they're on sale. And this again, it's one of those things that maybe you were thinking about doing it, or maybe you're still waiting for your other one to break. But honey, now is the time. It's $108. It's so cool. I love a
well,
sale.
I gotta say, I'm glad I was able to check in with you this Prime Day. Take care, Mickey. I hope to see you soon.
Bye, Natalie.